Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video because I saw a video online on how to make your own Diva ring light. So the video I found was, I think they had stated you can make it under $25, and that was the cheapest one I found. But I actually got all my materials, hopefully, that I needed, and this will be like a trial. Under $15, because the lights that I got was this 16-foot LED rope light. This was about $13, and then these zip ties were 96 cents. So if you guys can see right there, $12.88, and the other one was 96 cents. And then I just got like crazy glue and stuff like that. But yeah. So let me open this up. Now loop it around, because the video I saw, they were saying how you should get like a wreath metal so you can wrap this around, but I don't know if that all will be necessary. Like, I could just roll it around like this to the size that I want, and then just use the zip ties, and then I can use a clamp behind my tripod so it can be all hold it together, or I can use like a hair clip. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.